How to assign a Flexcode to open a Lockbox key compartment. If you are a Lockbox owner, or if you have privileges through a team or broker sharing, you can create a Flexcode. This temporary access code can be used to open the Lockbox and is ideal for agents, homeowners, and contractors who need access to a listing but are not SentriLock members. This temporary code can be activated for a minimum of 30 minutes or up to a maximum of 31 days. Launch the app on your device. Tap the hamburger menu. Tap My Lockboxes. Tap Get Access Code. Note: Flexcodes are only available with the SentriGuard lockbox. Previous generations of lockbox will only have one-day codes available. Select a lockbox from the list. Enter the name of the person who will get the Flexcode in the Assign To field. Select a start date and time for the code to be valid. Select an end date and time. Tap Get Flexcode. Enter your PIN or use Touch ID Face ID. A 13-digit Flexcode will display on screen. To share the Flexcode and the instructions to use it, tap the share icon in the top right corner. You can share the code via email or text. Once the user has received the Flexcode, here's how to use it. Tap the Enter button on the lockbox. Enter the 13-digit code. Press the Enter button again. The key compartment will open. You successfully sent a Flexcode.